Hi guys, it's Madness Nail Art. So I'm kind of sick today, as you can tell I have a stuffy nose. But the videos must continue. So I got a lot of palettes. So today I'm actually going to be doing a tutorial with the Anastasia Beverly Norvina Volume 1 palette. It looks like this. You probably already know what it looks like. I'm like the last person to review this palette. So that's what it looks like. Sorry, I don't want to blind you. It's very pretty. Alright, so then I'm also going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette in this tutorial for my highlight. And then some upcoming videos. Well, first of all, I have an order. I only have 2 more palettes to review, and then I can do whatever I want, really. So I had the Mini Controversy. And then I have the Naked Cherry. I know I'm kind of late to both of them. It's fine. And I also, my friend got me a new brush set for Christmas. They're super pretty. Yeah, so I will be using those as much as I can in this video. So I will be right back. Alright, I'm back. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Caitlin, by the way. And so this is what I do for my base. So I grabbed the wrong primer. So I use the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. It helps control my redness in my face. And then I use NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Powder Foundation. I'm in the shade Natural. It looks like this. And then I use the CoverGirl Clean Invisible Concealer, and this is in the shade Fair. And then I set my concealer with this Revolution Makeup Luxury Baking Powder. It's in the shade Ghost. And so I'm starting out with the face. Oh, and I also use my Kismet Buff lip scrub from my October Ipsy bag, and then I used my incredible Jelly Shot lip quencher from my August Ipsy bag to moisturize my lips. Then let me take my GG Gorgeous contour brush, and then I will contour. So I'm going for full glam today. I might have put a little too much on my brush, so I'm going to pat that on. Alright, and then I'm gonna do the other side, and then we will blend that out. Alright, let me blend out those harsher lines. I feel like this side is a lot less darker than this side, and I don't know why. Maybe it's just the lighting I'm in or something. Or maybe I put too much on my brush on the other side. Alright, and then I'm going to clean that up with my Makeup Revolution baking powder. So I'm going to tap some off. I'm going to take this brush, and that is how we will contour, or not contour, bake. And then I use the Pixie by Petra Third Edition Ultimate Beauty Kit palette for my brows today. I'm going to pop that over there. And then let's wipe off this bake. So then I'm going to take this brush, it's my bronzer brush, and then I'm using the Pacifica Bronzed Rose blush and bronzer. So I'm going to take a bronzer shade and then I'm going to put that on my cheeks. Alright, and then I'm gonna put a little more on. And then let me blend that out. And then I'm gonna get that area in my contour. Alright, and then I'm going to take my angled blush brush. Oh wait, shoot. I think there's a blush brush in here. I did try to use this for my powder foundation, however, it didn't work very well because it's kind of big. And then I use this one to blend my concealer out. It's a foundation brush. And so I'm gonna try to use this for our blush. Yeah, I'm going to use our angled blush brush. And then I'm going to do that then. And I'm gonna blend that all out. I think that looks good. And then I'm gonna blend that all out. Okay. And so I'm going to set that with my setting spray. And then let me bronze my chin and forehead before I move on. Oh god, I can't open this. Okay, there we go. Alright, I think that is good. And then I'm gonna try this highlight brush out today. So then we're gonna take our Moonchild palette by Anastasia. This one doesn't have a mirror, so I can't blind you, so it looks like that. And then today I'm going to take Pink Heart, because I'm kind of going to do a sunset look. Now this is inspired by a girl. Her name is Nicole. I forgot her last name, but I will link her down below. I don't know if this is picking up any product. Alright, let's test it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go in with my regular highlight brush. I'm going to take Pink Heart. I think that's good. And so I am going to prep one eye and then eyes. So I am going to start with shade D1. Now, it's my understanding that the person who I am inspired by, she used the Norvina Volume 3 palette as well, but we're not going to do that today. So I'm going to take my round crease brush. This is by, this is the ABH Cosmetics. I'm not sure what number it is because mine is fading because I used it so much. And then I'm just taking that D1, so that mustardy yellow. And then I'm going right in my crease with that color. I tried doing a look at this palette and filming it, but I remember my iPad cut me off for storage. So we love that. See, this eyeshadow is very pigmented. It is pressed pigments, so if you do use it, just be careful of staining. I have pretty sensitive eyes, so mine will probably stain, but that's fine. Everything's all good. And then I'm going to take E2 on this same brush right here, next to that pretty glittery shade. Ugh, they're all so beautiful. Alright. See, I always use this for my warm color. Ooh, she bright. Okay. Don't worry, I will use that yellow shade and we will blend this out. So I'm gonna color switch. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to that yellow and we're going to use that to blend, and then I will take a blending brush and blend those out a little further just because we don't want any harsh lines or anything. So let me take my Good Cosmetics brush and then we will blend. And then I'm just going to put some more yellow on. Okay, now for my lid shade, I am taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills A16 brush. I'm going to take the color, A5 right there. And so it's this hot pink shade, perfect for the sunset look I'm going for. Alright, so alright, so I think that looks good. So then once again I'm gonna go in with D1 and E2 just to blend that pink out. And I'm gonna dip lightly into that one because it's very bright. Alright, now I'm gonna blend those out. Oh, I got a little fall, but that's okay. Alright. I kind of want to deepen up, so we're gonna take E5 here, and then I'm going to put that little brush, and we're gonna just take this out in our outer V area. Alright, and then I'm gonna blend that out a bit. We're just doing that to give some depth and dimension. And I think that looks good. So and then what I'm gonna do is take the Moonchild palette. I'm gonna take Pink Heart and put that in my inner corner. Alright. And I will go do my eyeliner, and I also did get a new mascara, but that's for my contacts, so we will try that when I have my contacts in. But anyways, I'm going to do my other eye off camera, so I will see. Alright, and then I'm going to take my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream today, and then we're just going to put that on, so. And then I'm going to apply this Winky Lux lip gloss. This is in the shade Candy Glaze, I believe. Alright, so I'm going to plop this on. Alright, so this is what my glam looks like. Let me get into better lighting. So there we go, that's my glam look today. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe for more makeup tutorials. Alright, bye-bye.